Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, so guys, I want to share with you with the news about the tragedy that happened in Novi Sad, Serbia, where the canopy collapsed off from the building and 14 people died on spot. So it is said that the building was 60 years old and weak, so it just collapsed, and it killed some people. So I want to take my condolences to the families of those people that lost their people while at the train station, and to the Serbian people and the country at large. Yes, so guys, we are going to go to the scene, and we see, because there are people moving, going to they are taking flowers and going with the candles to pray for those people. Well, yeah, let's go. So you can see all these buses have dropped people to come and pray for the people. We are going to the scene. All these people here have come to pray for the people, and Jesus Christ. So guys, you see that they are lighting the candles. They are praying for the people. So these are the people that died. Oh my god. So guys, those people you see holding the charts, those are the names of the people that died. Oh my god. Vukash, you see those charts they are holding? Those are the families that lost their people. Oh god. So guys, this is the train station, and hope you can see it's under renovation, and they are trying to fix it, I think. Yeah, well, one thing I can say to you, that so many people use this train station and you can never know, so it is just God's protection, you know. Guys, that is the train station. Like, I mean, there's even the fire brigade. It was really a huge thing that fall off with heavy concrete. They've just collected it off. So let's move around and we'll show you. Yeah guys, like I was saying, it is not easy. Like, many people use the train station and you can never know who is who. Like, I showed you the families of those people who were held in the... There are so many news reporters, so many people lighting candles. So guys, you see, These are the candles. It's a long line. So guys, you see that people have come from other cities to come and do the condolence with the people in Novi Sad. You see all those people have come to express their gratitude to the families of people that lost their people. And so guys, this is what I wanted to tell you. Serbian people are so emotionally attached. They are so emotionally attached. You see that people died, but they really feel they lost the whole country, you know. So I really also feel so sorry for those people, because this is the train station, main station for Novi Sad. Like, this station is ever busy. So when the canopy fall off from the building, people are in and out, moving in and out, the arrivals, the departures, you know. So you can never know what is going to happen to who, you know. So that's why all these people, because most of these people use the train station, so that's why they've all come. And you know, because you never know, maybe it could have hit me, maybe somebody else, maybe my friend, you know. So that's why we've all come here to stay with the families of these people. And I think they'll put a monument as a remembrance for these people, because so many people, you see. So you see, there's so many people, arrivals, some are leaving, some are going. Yeah, so guys, that's the end of the video. That was about today's news. It is not good news. And yeah, bye, ciao, see you in my next video.